Finding the perfect copyright-free music for your YouTube videos, TikToks, or indie games is always a massive headache. You spend hours searching, you finally find a track that somewhat fits, and boom, you instantly get hit with a copyright strike. And let's not even talk about how difficult it is to create engaging visuals if you actually want to post a song yourself. But what if I told you there is an AI tool that now handles both the music production and the music video generation for you in just a few clicks? That's right. Today, we are taking a fresh look at Musicful. They just dropped a massive update, and this isn't just a basic beat generator anymore. It is essentially an entire production studio right in your browser, or right in your pocket, since they have both web and mobile app versions. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to build a hit song from complete scratch, clone your favorite styles, and use their brand new AI music video feature to generate stunning visuals that perfectly match your song. Let's jump right in. I want to show you how to build something completely original from scratch. So, let's head over to the AI Music tab. I want to make a really fun, chill indie pop track about taking a weekend road trip down the coast with your friends. Now, I am definitely not a songwriter. I don't know how to structure a verse or a chorus, but with Musicful, you don't have to. Inside the lyrics box, instead of typing out a full song, I am just going to click the button that says Write Lyrics for Me. And here I will type my core idea. A fun, chill weekend road trip driving down the coast with friends, escaping the city. And in literal seconds, the AI writes out a complete structured song. We have verse 1, a pre-chorus, a catchy chorus, and a bridge. It handles all the rhyming and pacing for you. Next, we move down to the Style of Music box. This is where you tell the AI how the track should sound. I'll type upbeat indie pop, acoustic guitar, breezy, feel good. Right below that, we have the new gender selection buttons. You can choose male, female, or random. I am going to select male for this track. Below that, you can choose a vibe persona if you have saved one. And before we hit generate, always make sure you have the newest model selected in the top right corner. The V2.0 model gives you the absolute best, most immersive, professional level sound. It's 15 credits, but for this level of quality, it's a total steal. Everything is set. I'm hitting Create Song. Let's hit play and see what Musicful came up with.
We're on a coastline, salt on our lips, laughing for nothing, leaving the sky line stunned, shrinking in the mirror, couldn't stop if we wanted. Every mile feels like we just turned 21. Turn the volume up, on this coastline.
That is actually quite catchy. The acoustic guitars sound authentic, the male vocal is perfectly in tune, and the structure flows exactly how a real indie road trip song should, just like that. We turned a simple one-sentence idea into a fully produced track. But as I was listening to that, I got this crazy thought. What if I could get this exact same song, same lyrics, same vibe, but in a laid-back reggae style? Wild, I know. But with Musicful, it is incredibly easy to remix your own creations. I am just going to click the 3 dots on our new indie pop track and hit cover. This brings all of my original lyrics right back into the prompt box. But down in the Style of Music, I am going to delete the old prompt and type roots reggae, laid back, heavy bass, groove, summer vibe. Let's hit Create Song and see what happens.
Windows down, snack bags open, maps tossed back, plans half broken, feet on the dash, someone singing off key. We're chasing that sign that says leave it all, leave it with me. We're on a coastline, salt on our lips, laughing for a night.
Oh man, that is so good. It completely flipped the genre but kept the core story and lyrics perfectly intact. The reggae bounce is spot on. Let's go with this version. Now, having a great track is awesome, but if you want to upload this to YouTube or TikTok, you need visuals. A static image just doesn't cut it anymore. And this brings us to the most exciting part of this massive update. I am clicking on the brand new AI music video tab on the left side of the screen. Here we are. Step 1 is to select our song. I'll pick that new reggae road trip track we just remixed. Next, we can choose our video type. You have 3 options here: singing, narrative, or abstract. Because I want to see a character actually performing our track, I am going to select the singing option. And then we need to pick our main character for singing. You can completely customize this by uploading your own image, which is incredible for personal branding. But for this demo, I'll just select Kai, one of the default characters here. Now we move down to the video concept. You can type in exactly what you want to happen in the video, but if you want the fast route, just click the Generate AI Concept button. I don't have a specific theme for visuals, so I'm going to leave it empty. And now, Musicful instantly analyzes our reggae lyrics and writes a highly detailed visual prompt to match it perfectly. And then, we can select the portion of the song that we want to create the music video from. For this, I'm going to select a 30-second part of the verse. Finally, you just set your aspect ratio, I'll leave it at 16:9 for YouTube, and select your resolution. Under Advanced Options, I'll keep the B-rolls toggle on for scene variety. You can preview the storyboard first, but let's just go all in and click the big green Create Music Video button. And here we go. Let's check it out.
Windows down, snack bags open. Maps tossed back, plans half broken. Feet on the dash, someone singing off key. We're chasing that sign that says leave it all, leave it with me. We're on a coastline run, salt on our lips, laughing for nothing, leaving the sky line stunned, shrinking in the mirror, couldn't stop if we...
Look at this result. It generated stunning, dynamic, high-definition visuals. The character is actually lip-syncing to the vocals of our reggae track, and the lighting and aesthetic perfectly match that breezy summer vibe we asked for. In the wide shots, there is room for improvement in lip sync, but the close-ups and the B-rolls are absolutely on point. And just like that, you literally have a complete, ready-to-upload music video, and you didn't even have to open a video editing program. This new AI music video update of Musicful is quite impressive, especially with its visuals. Finally, let's talk about taking your music to the next level. If you are a producer or an editor who wants to take these tracks into your own software, Musicful does not lock you in. I'm heading over to the library where all of my generated songs live. If I click the download icon next to any of these tracks, I get a drop-down menu with Serious Pro options. You can download a standard MP3 or a high-quality WAV file of the full song. But also, you can click the 3 dots and go to Get Stems. I'm going to select Multitrack Stems. And this gives you separate, isolated audio files for the vocals and the instrumentals, allowing you to mix the track yourself, EQ the vocals, or drop the beat into a totally different project. But the absolute ultimate pro feature is the download MIDI option. When you download the MIDI file, you are downloading the actual musical notes that the AI wrote. You can drag that MIDI file directly into Logic Pro, FL Studio, Ableton, or any DAW, and apply those notes to your own virtual instruments. You can swap out the AI's piano for your own custom synthesizer, change the drum patterns, and have 100% creative control over the final production. And if you are ever stuck with writer's block, the absolute best place to start is the Explore tab on the left sidebar. This takes you to the Community Music Hub. This feed is packed with AI-generated tracks published by other creators. It is the perfect place to listen, get inspired, and see what the AI is capable of. Let's say you are scrolling through here and came across a song that you really love. Normally, you'd have to spend at least 20 minutes trying to reverse engineer the prompt they use to get that exact sound. But Musicful has a massive shortcut. Right next to the track, you just click the 3 dots and hit Reuse. This instantly copies the sonic DNA, the style, the tempo, the vibe, straight into your creator dashboard. From there, you can write your own lyrics, tweak the genre tags a little bit, and generate a brand new song with the exact same professional polish as the one that inspired you. It is a huge time saver. And by the way, everything I've shown you today was on their website version. But Musicful also has a very powerful mobile app version. So if inspiration strikes while you're away from your desk, you can generate full tracks, vocals, and music videos right from your phone. So all in all, from turning a simple text prompt into a radio-ready song, to extracting MIDI files, to generating full-blown lip-synced AI music videos, it is safe to say that Musicful is seriously pushing the boundaries of what is possible for creators right now. You have to try this out and hear it for yourself. I've put a special link right at the top of the description below so you can go try Musicful for free today. Click the link, go make some incredible music, publish it on the hub for the community to hear, and let me know what you think in the comments. By the way, if you want to take this further, come join us over at the AI with TechZnap community. We just opened up our official Discord server and Patreon. It's a place for us to hang out, share what we're creating, and help each other grow. Whether you're a free member or looking to support the channel, I'd love to see you there. Head over to the Patreon link in the description to grab your Discord invite and get started. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.